The first thing is the testing officer will pass certain instructions. The instructions are, okay, if it is over, now we will do something more than that. The next task which we are going to do, that is called group planning exercise. As the name suggests, group planning exercise, it is an exercise involving planning you as members of the group. Very simple, normal routine activity will be placed. These are the words which you are going to speak exactly. There is no technical knowledge required for this exercise. This will be in a routine, day-to-day event will be put in front of you, and we will expect you to evolve a plan. It will involve a couple of things. First and foremost, the model which is kept in front of you shall be explained to you. The model will depict the area of concern where we are going to do our exercise. Look at that, no technical knowledge is required for this. If you notice, the first thing first, I said in yesterday's class also, the narrative will be explained. Look at the narrative which is, look at the model which is right in front of you. Please bring your chairs a little bit. There is a black sheet in front of you on which the model has been painted. On the black sheet, outside the square, we have written N pointing this side. What does that mean? North. If that is north, what is this?
South.
What is that?
East.
What is this?
West.
These are the four cardinal directions so far as this model is concerned. Scale 10 centimeter to 1 kilometer means what? It means 10 centimeters on the model. No talking. I did not ask you. 10 centimeters on the model depict a distance of 1 kilometer on the ground. This is basically to help you to think, analyze and visualize the distance time correlation for your planning aspect. Let's get inside the white square. If you notice the white square, inside the white square the area of concern is where you are going to do your exercise. This line and this line, this is a situation where this portion is mainland, that is sea. There is a sea breaking between the two portions of land, that is island. That is Mandavi Island, and this is the mainland. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
If that is the situation, in the mainland you find one red band running north to south, goes over the red Rampur, takes a turn, keeps moving, goes through Pandu village, crosses this water body, that gap, crosses the yellow portion of the beach and goes and finishes at Mandavi. This thick red band represents a metal road, Pakki Sadak. Pakki Sadak is coming from Devgarh, which is 20 kilometers from this tip of the model somewhere in the north. Comes along parallel to the railway line, keeps moving over Rampur village. One of the portion of the road goes towards disused jetty and the other one goes southward, keep moving through Pandu village over the sea portion into the beach area and finishes at Mandavi. Am I right?
Yes.
Thereafter, if you find there are two parallel dotted lines shown here and portion is here. Parallel dotted lines represent, red parallel dotted lines represent an unmetalled road, Kachi Sadak, which is connecting main road to Temple Hill. The another Kachi Sadak is connecting from the main road where it is written bus overturned here, over the beach and comes to a place called Fisherman's Jetty. By the way, what is a jetty? Anybody? Yes?
Where ship is to
It's just like a platform where the ships are there.
Yes, he is right and you are wrong. My dear friend, it is a platform kind of thing inside the sea where the ships come and park alongside loading and unloading of ships and boats take place. What you are trying to say, that is not jetty, that is called ferry. You are mixing it, okay? There is one disused jetty here and there is one fisherman's jetty there. Thereafter, if you find there is a single dotted line which connects Mandavi to fort, which is written in ruins. What do you mean by in ruins?
Old fort.
Desert is broken. There is a fort, Kila, which is Tuta Futa. It is connected to Mandavi village through the Kacha path, footpath. Further to it, you find there is a white thick band which is running from north to south comes and takes a turn and gets into Mandvi. This is a railway line coming somewhere from Devgarh. This place, if you notice, it is written RS Rampur. That means it is railway station Rampur. Railway station Rampur keeps going south of Pando village over the beach tip and over the sea area. It gets into Mandvi and railway line finishes there. Terminal end. Is that clear? Further to it, if you find the red color has been used in the form of white, some squares, cluster, that means it's a group of houses. The Rampur has got few red boxes. That means there are few number of houses there. That does not mean 5 only. What it means, a group of houses. Rampur, Pando, Mandvi. Fort is also in red, disused jetty and fisherman's jetty. Red color is over. If you notice, there is a thick blue color shown. The half of the top portion, and then it finishes like this. Blue color represents water, it is sea, and along side touching Mandvi island, yellow portion has been marked, and that is beach. What is a beach? Any idea?
The sand.
Gradual slope of the sea where there you find sand. There is a difference between coast and beach. I hope you know it. Okay? Now, further to it you find these lines have been shown and a hill. On top of a hill, a small temple has been made and it is written Temple Hill. With me?
Yes,
sir.
Rest of the land and area which has not been filled with anything is something which you find in the coastal India of South Indian portion. Land, something, whatever you find in the south of India. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's this? In the model to you, we will talk about the narrative, the story. I will read it slowly, deliberately, but only once. Along with me, you will read. You will not read loudly. You will read it in your mind. No noting down, no making points, no jotting down, no spoiling of the paper. Is that clear? Close your pens. Close your pens. Exercise Mandvi. You, as many as in your group. How many of you are there in your group?
Yes.
10 of you are members of volleyball club of your college. You came to Devgarh to participate in inter-college volleyball championship. Your trip was very successful, and to win championship, you had to win the finals, which were to be held after a day's gap in the morning. You decided to spend the day at the nearby beach resort in Mandvi Island. For your return to Devgarh, you were to take the last train leaving Rampur at 8 p.m. Rampur is fairly big town connected to Mandvi by half-hourly bus service and a shuttle train which leaves Mandvi at 6 p.m. All of you enjoyed yourself in the afternoon while the rest of you were on the beach. Two went to see Mandvi Fort. After about an hour they came back running and highly excited. The two friends told you that when they reached the fort, they saw two tough-looking men relax and drinking there. Suspecting them of being crooks, the two friends hid nearby to listen to them. On hearing their conversation, they realized that the two toughs were smugglers who had a lot of contraband silver hidden in a cave in Temple Hill. It was to be smuggled out of the country by a boat reaching disused jetty at 7 p.m. The boat was also carrying electronic goods to be smuggled into the country. To carry the silver, the smugglers had a station wagon hidden in Mandvi village. The boss of the smuggler was to get down with the goods and make his getaway in the station wagon along with his henchmen. While you were listening to all this, you heard a loud crash and shouts of help coming from direction of the road. All of you ran to the spot and saw that the bus leaving Mandvi had overturned in trying to avoid the cyclist. The bus passengers were struggling to get out. You helped them out and found that except the two shikaris who were on their way back after shikar in Mandvi forest, no one was seriously hurt. One of the shikari had broken his arm and the other was bleeding through a minor wound in his head. As you were thinking about your next course of action, one of you realized that you had left your things on the beach. Time now is 5:15 p.m. As bold young man, what will you do? Look up. Have you understood the story?
Yes, sir.
Any word of English not clear?
No.
Things are okay? Right, I leave it to you. I give you 5 minutes to read. No talking, no noting down of points, no discussion, no use of pen. Your memory model in front of you, piece of paper in your hand. Your reading time starts now. Things are clear in your head, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right, gentlemen, now you can take out a piece of paper. Just draw out any piece of paper. Write down your name, number, batch number, chest number. Take it that your batch is NCSC 16432. NCSC 16432. NCSC 16432. Write down your own chest number, name, number, batch number. And imagine that stamp is there on the right side. GARPTS. Is that clear? Okay. If that is so, look up. Gentlemen, I give you now 10 minutes to write down your plan, individual plan. No talking, no discussion, no looking left or right, no peeping into the other man's solution. If you do that, for all you know, you will be copying the wrong thing. No copying. Your time for recording and writing your plan starts now. 10 minutes. Right, gentlemen, the time is up. Look up. Please pass this piece of paper from this side to that side and let it come to me. Come on, pass it fast. Reading. The next thing which I told you yesterday will be writing of your plan. Now you will start writing the plan. Please take out your register or piece of paper, whatever you want to do. Put on to the right side of the stamp your name, number, batch number, chest number. Take it. The name of your name, number, everything is known to you. The batch number is NNCSC 164321. NNCSC 164321. Oblique your chest number, whatever it is. Okay? Now I look up. I give you 10 minutes. Look up, I said. I give you 10 minutes to write your name, number, batch number, chest number, and write the plan. No talking, no discussion, no looking left and right, no copying. If you copy, that will be at your own barrel because you never know you will be copying the wrong plan. You might as well write your own plan. Time for writing starts now. If you notice, I have given you time more than 10 minutes. Basically, those 2 minutes which I gave you, that is to remind you that those 2 minutes content which you have written in the plan below, it should have come in within those 10 minutes. It means you have gone wrong somewhere by giving the wrong time to some place. Lot of cuttings I saw you people doing. Don't do it. Cutting is not. You are supposed to be answering exactly as per format. Who, what, when, where, how, time, distance, correlation, aspect. If you cover it up, totally A, totally B, you can't go wrong. Group A, Group B, subgroup A, subgroup B. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
However, no problem. The next stage which we are going to talk about, he's going to ask you to discuss. Having written your individual plan, now you will agree with me, one brain is less than the 10 of you put together. So 10 of you will discuss your plan, give and take better ideas of the others and evolve a corporate plan, a collective plan, a team plan or a group plan. Therefore, I will now give you 10 minutes to discuss amongst yourselves and evolve the plan. During these 10 minutes discussion, come to a concrete collective plan which can be presented to me later. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right now the model is in front of you. You members can start your discussion. Your discussion starts now.
Okay, we are coming from Bharatpur to Gondia village to collect our food and the by the number of players we reached the tea shop.
Okay, the group will be divided in
tea shop is coming at the tea shop. We are in tea shop. We face no problems. The problems has collided. The first problem.
Stop. Please don't create fish market. Start again.
Well, gentlemen, our group has faced 4 problems, and our priority should be like this: that we will be just first solving, we are just preventing the train at the railway crossing and defusing the bomb, taking the help of the anti-squad team at the 4:30 p.m. Then we will be just sorry, 4:45 p.m.
What are the first divide the group in 3. 4, 4 and 2. The 2% will be the
Firstly, we will decide which are the problems.
Yeah,
First problem is
first of all, we met with an accident. That's the first accident we just do it. Then I go back to the accident person. What he has said that there is a bomb in a train which is going from Gondia to Bharatpur. That will help the police to be distracted because there will be a bank robbery taking place in Bharatpur at 4:30 and the bomb blast will take place at 4:45. So, and then the woman comes that her gold ornament has been dropped into a river and she wants some help. So what we can do, we can make 2 equal groups out there. The first group can go to Bharatpur and on their way back from Bharatpur they can help the woman which has lost a gold ornament. The second group
We have to 10 members in our group. We can make the Toli A will be moving from the. We are at 3 p.m. at this point. Tea shop.
We have to take some time to discuss at the point.
It is given.
We are
distance will be around.
Stop. You people are making into fish market. More than 3-4 minutes are over and you haven't come to any stage. Please understand you have to evolve a group plan. Group planning discussion starts again.
Okay, as we are at the tea shop, our group into two. The first group will conduct which is there to us. The second group will conduct the next one. And the first group will solve the problems. Firstly, stop the train, and secondly, they will go to Bharatpur village to stop robbery. And the second group, we can go to
First we have to go 3:30. Railway crossing, he will stop the train here. We must. And our second group will go to the one who will be and hire by the goons. After hiring a boat.
More than half your time is over and I don't.
Okay, we have. Well, gentlemen, we have the group as Sunday the tea shop. We can divide our group into 2 teams. First, we are moving to the Gondia village to hand over the smuggler there and taking the help of the anti-squad team from there because it will be nearer to us, our place, and the to the Bharatpur by the river. Taking the help of the fishermen, we will take second from the fishermen's village to the Bharatpur. I agree with my friend that one team should be moved to the river.
I agree with Jason what I said, but what we can do, we can go from the tea shop toward Rupa. On the way, we can admit the person which has gone through accident in a hospital, and on the first railway crossing, we can inform the person that closes the fund out there. He has got the phone out there. He has got the phone out there.
It is good to discuss, but it is bad to make noise. I don't think you people are discussing. You are just wasting your time. Please discuss the plan. Not even 4-5 minutes are left.
Okay, gentlemen, we have to stop the train at first. So, we have the resources of our jeep. So, we will use the jeep by reaching Rupa village. There is a railway cross. Then we will stop the train by.
No, we can't stop the
person at the railway crossing must raise the red flag so that the driver of the train get the message that something is wrong. That's why red flag is being raised. So the train will stop down and we will inform the driver that
Yeah,
and we will also
and we'll come back to the tea shop.
Yeah, and we will go to the
railway station direct board and we will message of that this
we can inform the other station and they can send a bomb squad out there so that the bomb can be detected very easily. Officially on group number 1, which is in the Bharatpur right now. What the first thing we are going to go out there and do in Bharatpur? We will inform the police, call in the bank, make sure that all the customers are out of the bank after 4 p.m. and the police people are in non-uniform out there waiting for them, ready to handle them. So that
Okay, through this channel. As per me, 1 minute is left, but I'll make it 2 minutes because I don't think you people have made the plan. 2 minutes are being given. Please finalize your plan. Time stop.
as we have noted as in this area, telephones are not working because of the telephones and postal strike. So we cannot make the phone calls from this railway crossing to the Bharatpur. We have to find So we will be just sending our team from the fisherman's village because their distance will be less because it will be just
what I believe is
It's not possible to get a bus service or something from
there is no phone strike in railways, there is only in the civil sector. So we can stop the train and do it.
That is a very
meanwhile, the second group which is in Bharatpur,
1 more minutes.
the second group which is in Bharatpur can tell the police stop the robbery till around 4:30. They can come back on the way. They can help the old lady by going to that place with the help of the fisherman. They can help the lady, and as both the group decided that they will be, they will.
Gentlemen,
And as the plan which they have decided, they will make 7 kilometers before Golia.
Rupa village also.
and we will just handing over
Okay, the time is up. Is the plan ready? Yes or no? Is the plan ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Does it look like? Is it? Okay, let's have the plan. Let's have anybody presenting the plan on behalf of the group. The person who's presenting the plan will not get any extra credit. The guy will only be representing the plan, the group. However, credit and discredit will be shared. But this is all nonsense. I told you. Let's have your plan. Your plan presentation, please.
Okay, good morning, gentlemen.
What good morning? Tala 2 घंटे से you have been with me. It is not too early to say good morning. Don't talk. Don't become a Victorian English. With your gracious self, I am to help you. My foot, you just say I am to help you. Altu ki notanki nahi. Start again.
Bharat and his group has come to a camp where there is a forest for a shikar. On the way back to Golia.
Stop. Don't reproduce the plan. I have written the plan. You have read the plan. Everybody knows the narrative. Why are you repeating?
Only the
Come to the
same
plan. Don't waste time.
On a stop in a tea shop, they heard a sound of accident out there. That person was a wanted person in the police.
Did I say that? What did I tell you yesterday, my dear son? I told very, very clear. Give the presentation of plan in exact format in which you have written it. However, the content of presentation will be what has been evolved now and not what you have written. Is that clear?
So priority wise.
Don't give me nonsense now.
Fine, sir. So they have come to know that a bank robbery is going to take place in Bharatpur. A bomb has been set in a train which is going from Gondia to Bharatpur. That person has fractured his leg and a woman has lost a gold ornament in the river. So they have made it 2 groups. The first one will go to Bharatpur.
They mean we, damn it.
We.
What do you mean by they? What a foolish person.
We will go to Bharatpur by bus as there is an hourly service of buses provided.
Talk to me. The presentation of the plan is to me, not to them. Start.
So they will go Bharatpur by bus. Out there they inform the police and the bank authorities about the robbery which will take place around 4:30. And on the way back, they will help the woman.
They means what?
We will help the woman. The second group, they will go toward Rupa village. On the way, they saw a hospital. They admitted that person.
Where in the Rupa village do you feel there be a hospital?
So as he has there was a dispensary out there, and he has just fractured his leg.
You say that, then don't say hospital. Then you say dispensary. There are 2 different things.
Right, sir. There was a dispensary in the Rupa village. They admitted that
There is likely to be a dispensary.
there is likely to be a dispensary in Rupa village, and they admitted the person who has fractured his leg, and they went on the nearest possible railway crossing.
They have to go down. You have not understood the essence of the plan presentation. Essence of the plan presentation. We are a group of 8 right now at tea shop, having tea. At the coast, there we are confronted with 4 problems. The problems as per priority fixed by my group are problem number 1, problem number 2, problem number 3, problem number 4. We have decided to divide our group into 2. Group A, Group B. Group A will do. Answer that who, what, when, where, and start again.
And they will go to the nearest crossing. There they will inform the guard who opens and closes the fatak. He has a phone, so he will say the nearest possible station about the bomb incident, and they will inform the bomb squad, and the train will be stopped out there. On the way, both the groups decided that they will meet at a milestone 7 kilometers before Gondia, and they will reach there out there.
Everybody else? Gentlemen, this is not the way the plan is created. You must understand, I am the writer of the story, you are the reader of the story, you have read it, I have known it, there is a need for us to recapitulate. Okay, that is one. You just get straight onto we are 8 returning from Shikar or something at tea shop, having tea at 3 o'clock. Our job is to go to the shopping center and procure our food stuff.